Okay, this is much better. Coco's just cruising along. Where you going, baby? Oh, good girl. You're being a good boy, Scotty. There you go. She definitely sets the pace. You can't let her pause, because when she turns around and looks at you, and you try to get her to go, oh, she goes crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Atta girl. Crazy dogs. Crazy, crazy dogs. Coco and Scotty and Sasha and Legend. And then we have Lexi and Gypsy and Lizzie. And that's the weekend's group. Should be fun.